Business blogging is an excellent tool that can save your business a lot of money if used correctly. Likewise, it provides your business with many opportunities. Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use blogging to promote your online business. Blogs are user-friendly. They can be personalized. They are considered a flexible means to provide useful information which helps to position your product in the market. If you use business blogging for your business, you will have a definite advantage over your competitors. Now I present the advantage of using business blogging for your online business. Number 1, word of mouth. To the internet, information is spread very fast, primarily if articles related to product are published. If you do this, you will achieve that many readers can read about your product and manage to sell them. Number 2, awareness and loyalty. By establishing open communication with your customers, you will create trust and loyalty to your business. The fact of being ready to answer their comments and questions make them want much more to buy your products. Number 3, feedback. Thanks to blogs, online business owners can get reviews of their products. These reviews help you to improve your products since it's easier for you to discover their needs and desires. In the same way, obtaining feedback will allow you to take immediate action against your clients' concerns. Number 4, community halo effect. Bloggers are friendly people who are always ready to help. They will love creating what is known as the blogosphere of comments related to your product or service. The only thing you should do about it is to become an active person and be part of the culture that surrounds bloggers, so you will get your product to be considered. Aspects to consider to have better results with your blog. Number 1, actively promote your business blog. One way to do this is by sending your blog to blog search engine and directories. Many of these sites have special forms to request your blog to be added. You just need to put the name of your blog and the URL in the form fields and hit the submit button. Number 2, exclusive content. You must publish exclusive information on your blog regularly. In this way, you will make your readers return periodically. Number 3, you have to use RSS feeds. There are many places where you can send your RSS feeds. These sites automatically publish links to your blog since through RSS feeds you inform them every time you post a new article. Number 4, synchronize your blog with the objectives of your business. Your articles must be written in such a way that they are related to your business objective. You must take advantage of this strategy to project your business vision. This message is the one that reaches your readers and your future clients. Success depends on the message that business projects to people. Your message is what makes you unique among your competitors and is what your customers are interested in. Set up your blog before you start marketing it. Now I'm going to present to you the aspect that you should consider when configuring your new business blog. Number 1, study the design of your blog. Free blogging platforms generally provide pre-designed format that you can use. In case you use a paid server and your domain to host your blog, you should hire a good graphic designer with experience in creating blog themes. Ask him or her to make a match between the identity of your company and the design of your blog. This match is essential. It makes your branding stronger and gives a professional character to your business that customers will recognize. Number 2, choose your topics. It is good to be clear on the specific topics that your blog will deal with. This topic must be aligned with the objectives and message of your business. Number 3, please note the following safety measures. Legal aspect. Include disclaimers and limitation of liabilities on your blog. Policy creations. Set limits on the employees of your company who can publish on your blog and the type of content that can be posted. Avoid direct marketing blog. Blog readers hate being marketed directly. If you do this, you will only make them run away and never return. Keep your blog updated. Keeping your blog updated with relevant and fresh information keeps your reader coming back for more. Be sure to post at least one article per week. Number 4, post at least 20 articles before start marketing your blog. Your blog needs to have enough content before it can be shared with the world. Blogs with few articles are boring for readers since your readers will not have enough material to select the readings. Number 5, the marketing process begins. Once your blog is well adjusted, the process of marketing your content begins. For this, you can use social networks to share the links of your articles in your social media profiles. Always keep in mind to use the hashtags that best fit the content of each article to get more customers. Using the same general hashtag can cause you to lose new readers interested in specific topics. Number 6, regularly monitor your statistics. It is essential to know what type of visitor your blog is receiving. It is not just about sending traffic to your blog, but about sending the right prospect, which will ultimately buy your products. Number 7, readjust the design if necessary. It is vital to test various types of design on your blog. You should always look for the one that your readers like the best. Number 8, be consistent with your main topic. Always stay on the main topic of your blog. Writing general articles on various topics will keep your readers from returning. They will always be looking for specific information. Reasons why you should use blogging as a tool for your internet marketing. Now I'm going to present to you why you should use blogging to promote your business. Number 1, blogging is simple. The easiest and most direct way to show your message and content to the world is through blogging. You don't need any special skills. Any adult can read and write. Number 2, blogging is authentic. These days, where advertising saturates our life, we continuously ask ourselves the advertiser's credibility. However, through blogging, real-life people share their experience, which paid advertising doesn't do much. Number 3, blogging is free. Blogging represents a practically free advertising tool. The cost of blogging is meager compared to the traditional means of marketing. Number 4, blogging builds credibility. As you gain more experience writing articles for your blog, your readers realize that they need your content to satisfy their information needs. At this point, you become an expert, which many readers will want to follow. In the same way, it will make other bloggers want to link to your site. Number 5, blogging builds your market. There are many ways to use blogging to build your market. Among them are using your email, using subscriptions to your mailing list, understanding your readers, joining blog networks, using RSS feeds. After viewing this video, you should understand how to use blogging to promote your online business. In case you still don't have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free Internet Marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your online business, so be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.